The journey of the tractor begins as raw steel arrives at the manufacturing plant. Each tractor starts with precisely cut steel components. Engineers carefully weld the strong chassis that forms the tractor's backbone. The powerful heart of the tractor is assembled with accuracy and skill. Every tractor engine is tested to ensure durability and performance. The tractor's gearbox is built to handle tough agricultural conditions. Strong axles provide balance and strength to the tractor. The transmission system connects power from the engine to the wheels. Hydraulic systems enable the tractor to lift and operate farming tools. A durable fuel tank is mounted to power long working hours. The steering system gives precise control to tractor operators. Comfortable seating ensures long day operation in the tractor. Heavy-duty tires are fitted to support field operations. The tractor receives a protective and vibrant paint coating. Branding marks the identity of each tractor. A strict quality inspection ensures every tractor meets standards. Fully assembled tractors roll forward for final checks. Every tractor's lights and controls are thoroughly checked. Each tractor is road tested to ensure smooth operation. Load testing confirms the tractor's working strength. Only approved tractors move forward for delivery. The tractor is cleaned and polished before shipping. Protective packaging keeps the tractor safe during transport. The tractor is carefully loaded for its journey. The tractor now leaves the factory for the dealership. Dealerships receive tractors for farmers across the region. A final inspection is carried out before delivery to the customer. The tractor is handed over to its proud new owner. The tractor starts its first working day in the field. The tractor travels toward the agricultural fields. Farming tools are attached to the tractor for work. The tractor transforms soil and prepares the land for crops. During harvest, the tractor becomes a vital helping partner. The tractor also transports harvested crops safely. Regular maintenance keeps the tractor running strong. From sunrise to sunset, the tractor supports farmers. The tractor is more than a machine, it is the backbone of agriculture.